So hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make a voice assistant. Like I tell you before, that I am releasing a series that in which says you can learn how you can make a voice assistant like this. So I open this, and let's open PyCharm with the help of this voice assistant and start our project. Open PyCharm. Open PyCharm. Open PyCharm. Jarvis, open PyCharm. Anyway, I will open myself. So here is my PyCharm. Or you can use any ID, like I also have Visual Studio Code. Here you can also use this. But I recommend you PyCharm if you are only coding Python. If you have so much language to learn. So first I go on the new project and create a new project. I name it voice assistant series, and select my Python interpreter. I can browse it. So select your Python interpreter. So go on this and select your Python interpreter by going on system interpreter and select. You can also browse it. I have here is my Python, so I select this, and now our Python is ready. Now it update this interpreter. So I also check. I also decheck this. Now I create a new project. Now it is creating a new project for me. Now it is preparing workspace and all that thing. So I click on don't show tips and close it. So what I gonna do is first I make it something larger that you can see it easily, and also telling you a setting. I first go in Dracula, and then I go here to editor, and in editor I go to journal, and in journal what you're gonna do is check this setting, change font size with control plus mouse wheel, and I also set it in the 16 and apply it. Now you can see it clearly. Now what I gonna do is first we are going to make a new file. To make a new file, right click on the folder and click on new, and then create a new Python file, and I name it Jarvis, and enter, because it is a Python file, so it will add Python extension by itself. Now I close this, and now we are ready to make our program. But first I go here, window, and enter on full screen. Now you can see it clearly, and here what I gonna do is first make a speak function, speak audio function, and sorry, we want it here. And for now I type here pass for now, because we are going to add the function here. Now what I'm gonna do is go here and open the terminal. If you are using another ID, you don't have this terminal option. So you can also open your main terminal like command prompt and PowerShell, and you need to type here pip install and then pyttsx and then 3. So when type this here, it will take some time and then install a module. So it says requirement already satisfied because I already installed this module. But if you don't install this, it will not work. So now we want to import this module. Import and then pyttsx3. And now, what is pyttsx3? pyttsx3 is a module in which you have some voices for your voice assistant and all that thing. If you want to make a speak function, you need this. So now what I'm gonna do is type here voice engine equals to pyttsx3 dot init and then sappy5. Now what I gonna do is I make voices and equals to the VE means voice engine and then enter dot get property, and then we want here voices. Now what I gonna do is VE dot set property, and then we want voices and then voices and 0.id. Now if you want to make a male voice, you can also download the female voice, but we want male voice, so we type here voices 0.id. So what I gonna do is, now here we want our speak function. First what I gonna do is print that voices, and now when I run it, to run the new project, you need to right click, and here you can see Run Jarvis. So now here it say this, if it shows this command means you done everything correct. It print all that voices. Now in this speak function, I am going to say ve dot say and then audio. We also want here audio, and here also audio, and we want here ve dot run and wait. To type this, we can also say this RANW, so it will autocorrect it because it is a camel case. Now when we run it, so it will not closing the program, not exiting the program. So we can exit it by typing by clicking here. Okay, why it doesn't now it is finished. Now we want here the main function. We want the main function here. Now inside of this main function, we gonna type SA, or if we type here only speak, so we need to type here speak and then our quantity. But for I am using a better ID, so I can also say SA and it will autocorrect it. So I use here is the camel case. Now I type here hello sir and how can I help help you? And when I run it,
Hello sir, how can I help you?
now you can see it says something. So we made a speak audio function, like we have a print function. We can print this also. And now we also have one more function which name is speak audio function. So in this speak audio function we can anything we type, so it will say that. And we also have some voices, so I comment out this because we don't want this print because it looks weird
Hello
in our
sir,
program.
how can I help you?
Now you can see one more time I run this.
Hello sir, how can I help you?
Now this is our first video. In this video we made a speak function to make voices of our program. So now it can speak something, like if we type here in this speak audio and then this tech code channel is really good. You must subscribe it. Now what it gonna say? First it says, hello sir, how can I help you? And then it print that, and then it gonna say tech code channel is really good, you must subscribe it. Then we run it.
Hello sir, how can I help you? Tech Code channel is really good, you must subscribe it.
Okay, so do you hear that? Jarvis say tech code channel is really good, you must subscribe it. So go to my channel and subscribe it. We are going to cross 30 subscribers, so please show your support. Please subscribe my channel. It's our first video of this Jarvis program, and in second video we are going to make a wish function. Let's make this wish function now, but I'm not going to type anything. No, I make this speak function in the second video, in the next video of this playlist or series. So stay tuned for that of this series. This series showing so much is going so much interesting, because we are making a voice stint, not a joke. So bye bye.